Product discovery steps. Product discovery helps you create successful products by understanding customer needs and market demands. Here are the 10 essential steps to follow. Number 1. Define your goals. What problem are you solving? What does success look like? Number 2. Identify your target audience. Who are your potential customers? Understand their needs and preferences. Number 3. Conduct market research. Find out what solutions already exist and where there are gaps. Number 4. Talk to users. Gather insights through interviews and surveys to understand their pain points. Number 5. Brainstorm ideas. Generate solutions and encourage input from your team. Number 6. Prioritize ideas. Focus on the ones that are feasible and have the most impact. Number 7. Develop prototypes. Create early versions of your product to test and gather feedback. Number 8. Test with users. Use their feedback to refine and improve your product. Number 9. Iterate continuously. Keep moving your product based on user feedback and market changes. Number 10. Validate and launch. Test your final product with a small group before launching fully. By following these steps, you can develop and launch products that truly meet customer needs and drive growth. For more tips, follow Product Lab Meena.